Hello, I'm Jannah, and I would use that 1 million ringgit to sponsor students to study abroad to study environmental degrees like geography or environmental science. I say this because I am probably the only JPA scholar who does geography. And in terms of Malaysians in general, there are very few who are doing environmental science or let alone geography. We are severely lacking in this area, and I believe it's an investment we have to start making. It's an investment, really, that will reap returns in the form of thinkers, academics, movers and shakers, policymakers that will think in terms of sustainability. We live in a finite planet, and our resources are dwindling every day. Sooner or later, every nation on Earth will have to make that shift towards sustainable growth. So I say Malaysia should start making that investment now rather than later. We reap returns in terms of the money saved as well in the form of healthcare provision, because geographers and environmental scientists make it their life's work to push for a greener, cleaner environment. So I heard a motivational speaker say recently that in order to achieve different results, you have to do things differently. So I'd say, let's do something different. It's time we started investing more in students who are purposely trained to think in terms of sustainability, who are purposely trained to think of questions of environment and development and about the very nature of the human project itself. Should generating more money, more economic prosperity, is that really our end goal? What's the point of more money if that comes at the expense of a planet we can actually live on? So I was watching a talk given by the Minister of Education yesterday, and he said something that really struck me. He said that our education isn't just for ourselves, it's also for the people, the rakyat, essentially. And I believe that geographers and environmental scientists from the get-go aren't doing it for themselves. They're doing it for the betterment of society and the environment in general. So, in sum, I believe that with 1 million ringgit, we can use that to sponsor more environmental scientists and geographers and make for a cleaner Malaysia.